Every girl wants the Korean glow up. You know, the effortlessly pretty and dewy glass skin kind we all see over TikTok. And let's be honest, it's hard to feel like that girl when your skin is dull. Your face looks puffy and your makeup just isn't sitting right. But the Korean glow up isn't just about skincare. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to go from this to this in just 2 weeks. You cannot have a Korean glow up without having glowing glass skin. But before you think I'm just gonna name a few overrated Korean skincare products, you're wrong. This routine isn't about hype. It's built on ingredients that hydrate, soothe, and strengthen your skin barrier. What really gives Koreans that bouncy, glowy look is layered hydration, no matter the products. Hydration is key because dry skin shows everything. Fine lines, texture, flakiness, you name it. When your skin is properly hydrated, it looks smooth, plump, and naturally dewy. Even without makeup, Korean skincare routines focus less on exfoliating and more on building hydration in thin layers. Duh. Every step preps your skin to absorb the next one. And sis, having texture on your skin is normal, but hydration is what will make it look like it's not even there. I know sticking to all the glow-up tips can feel like a full-time job sometimes. That's exactly why I created a space where we do it together. Over the last 4 months, I built a community with guided challenges, bite-sized tips, and that little extra push you need to actually stick with it. Tap the info card or hit the first link in the description to join us. We're waiting for you inside. This is the Korean skincare routine that will take you from this to this in less than 2 weeks. Starting with an oil cleanser. Even if you're not wearing makeup, this step melts away sunscreen, excess oil, and any gunk sitting on your skin. Massage it on your dry face for about a minute and then rinse. It cleans your skin without stripping. After that, follow up with a gentle and hydrating cleanser like this one. Your face should feel soft, not squeaky and dry. Instead of regular toner, use toner pads. They tone and exfoliate in one step, without any alcohol or harsh chemicals. Each pad has 2 sides. Use the texture side to gently exfoliate, then flip to the silky side to smooth and hydrate. Look for pads soaked in essence, not astringent. Ingredients like PHA, centella, or green tea are perfect if you want that glow without irritation. Then use a good spray serum like this one. Its mist-like texture hydrates, adds glow, and feels weightless, not oily or sticky. You can use it in your routine or even over makeup during the day to keep your skin fresh and dewy. Finish it off with a good sunscreen that also acts as a moisturizer. I like this one. This step is non-negotiable. It locks in all that hydration, protects your skin barrier, and prevents sun damage.
Nice.
If you're looking for a bit more guidance and direct support, I've got you. After months of work and countless late nights researching and creating these videos for you, I finally released a 21-day challenge that will make you glow up so hard. You might not even recognize yourself. But that's just the beginning. You'll get access to a private community of hundreds of girls who are on the same journey as you. We share tips, support each other, and level up together. Duh. But now, let's get back to the one thing Koreans are obsessed with when it comes to their skincare. It's the step that takes your skin from basic to instant glass skin that's hydrated, smooth, bright, and plump. Koreans swear by face masks in their glass skin routine. Some even use them daily. But depending on your skin type, 1 to 3 times a week is all you need. They're designed to push hydration deep into your skin, not just sit on the surface. Most are packed with hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, and fermented extracts that hydrate, brighten, and strengthen your skin barrier. The best part is you don't need anything fancy to get your skin looking like this. Here's a face mask you can easily make at home. Just take 3 tablespoons of rice, rinse it twice, then soak it in water for 30 minutes. Don't throw out the water, you'll need it later. Cook the rice, then blend it with 1 teaspoon of honey until it turns into a smooth paste. After cleansing, apply it all over your face with a brush or clean hands and leave it on for 20 minutes. Rinse, clean, and soak cotton pads in the rice water from earlier. Use them as a brightening and calming toner. Your skin will instantly look like glass. Do this 1 to 2 times a week for lasting results. But if DIY is not your thing, here are some masks Koreans can't live without. They went viral for a reason. These masks are designed for hydration, bounce, brightness, and give instant results. As we age, or even just due to stress, our collagen levels dip. That's what makes skin look tired and dull. This mask contains low molecular collagen that absorbs deeper to plump, lift, and firm your skin from the inside out. Its biocellulose sheet clings to your skin and helps the ingredients soak into your face for deep hydration. After cleansing, apply the mask for 60 minutes, or leave it on overnight for best results. But only use it 1 to 2 times a week. It's super hydrating and firming, but also rich in actives like collagen and peptides. But if you would like something you can use more often for a guaranteed glowy glass skin daily, use this one 2 to 3 times a week, or even daily if your skin's feeling dry or stressed. It's super gentle, so it won't overload your skin even with regular use.
Nice.
It's packed with peptides, niacinamide, and adenosine, aka the Glow Trio. Each one targets a different part of the glow: hydration, brightness, and firming. This combo smooths fine lines, brightens dull skin, and strengthens your barrier. It was actually designed for the Medicube booster device, but it's still insanely effective on its own. Before bed and after cleansing, apply an even layer to dry skin, avoiding the eyes, lips, and hairline, and let it dry for 15 minutes. In the morning, peel it off from the edges and gently remove any residue with a clean towel, or rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water. But if you want to glow up like a K-pop idol, skincare alone won't cut it. The easiest way to glow up instantly is by adding dimension to your lower face. This is how most K-pop idols glow up, even without surgery. In Korea, beauty standards revolve around the V-line face. A slim lower half, softly pointed chin, and minimal jaw width. It gives that lifted, youthful, doll-like effect. And while some people turn to fillers or surgery to get it, most of the time, it's just makeup. Take a light concealer, 1 or 2 shades brighter than your skin tone, dab it on the sides of your chin, and blend. This cancels out the shadows and instantly lifts the lower face, giving your face a slim lower half. In Korea, some people even get surgery to deepen their philtrum to get that soft, heart-shaped lips that are popular in K-beauty. But you don't need to go through surgery. Grab a small brush and a light contour shade. Draw 1 soft vertical line from the base of your nose to your cupid's bow, then a short horizontal line just above your top lip. This will instantly make your top lip look more plump. To add dimension to the lips, use powder blush to smudge your top lip and slightly overline your lips for that fuller shape. Be sure to use a similar color to your lips or you might end up giving clown. Using 2 colors, apply the light lip tint all over your lips and the darker color in the middle to add dimension. Finish with gloss or lip plumper for that juicy, heart-shaped look. But let's talk about the viral dewy blush every K-pop idol is rocking right now. The secret is actually ditching powder blush. Instead, go for a good hydrating liquid blush and layer it carefully. But we all know the secret to great makeup is hydrated skin.
Duh.
And I've got the secret to the ultimate K-pop idol glow. It's spray serum like this. It's literally a 4-in-1 product: a toner, a serum, a setting spray, and a glow booster. You can use it throughout your entire routine, as a toner or serum right after cleansing, or before foundation to instantly boost your glow and make any base look dewy and fresh. You can even use it to prevent looking cakey. Just set your makeup with it and it'll melt away any dryness or patchiness, leaving a smooth, radiant finish. And even without makeup on, you can use it throughout the day for an instant hydration boost. The key to Korean glowy makeup is hydration and foundation that looks like skin. And that's why they often stick to light coverage foundation. That's a good base for your ultimate Korean glow up. But without this one thing K-pop stars swear by, your glow up just won't be the same. The Korean glow up diet is light but balanced. Lots of veggies, rice, and fermented foods like kimchi, and barely any processed stuff. It keeps inflammation low, digestion smooth, and skin glowing from the inside out. And with such strong beauty standards, especially in K-pop, people naturally stay mindful of what they eat. That's why they eat fermented foods like kimchi and drink fermented rice drinks daily. They reduce bloating, detox the liver, and keep their gut healthy, which naturally gives them clear, glowing skin. But let's be honest, not everyone has access to that. Eating plain Greek yogurt daily with a spoon of honey and berries is a great alternative. To slim the face and reduce stubborn belly fat, lemon balm tea is a favorite. It's known to help with face puffiness and flatten the tummy fast. To make it, add lemon balm to a mug, pour hot water over it, and let it steep for about 5 to 10 minutes. Strain it, add a slice of lemon, and it's ready to sip. For skin brightening and anti-aging, purple sweet potatoes are a daily go-to. They're full of antioxidants that fade dark spots and keep wrinkles away. Wash it clean, boil or roast at 200 degrees Celsius for 35 minutes, and that's it. They often snack on chestnuts, which are packed with copper and vitamin C. They help keep the skin elastic and even prevent premature graying of hair. Getting a Korean glow up in just 2 weeks is great, but if you want to instantly look pretty without makeup, check out this video.